This is my new project, an aquaponic fence wall for growing herbs. So basically all the plants will sit in these cups water here. So I'm going to drain the water down through these channels and glue a bunch of these onto the face of it. You can tell these channels are relatively narrow. So getting the water to flow down these actual fence panels inside down to the bottom, the water will drain into this bottom rail here and then down in through the legs and into this guy, which is the bottom tank and actual stand for it. I had to glue and end cap both of them and kind of custom make this one. This is just a fence sleeve for vinyl fence posting, and I didn't think the tank for it would be big enough, so I added this expansion tank. They're connected here, so you'll see I'll have to cap that off. The pump fits down right inside, submersible. We'll have a cover going back over that, and then a nice little feature I added to this is a nice plexiglass window I'm going to be installing inside these fence panel itself. So the hard part is getting these cups here to line up so that the basket gets water on it from inside these channels here. There'll be water tubes coming up into these holes on a manifold system that'll pump the water down through these channels down to the bottom. And it'll be a freestanding hydroponic lettuce growing wall, or herbs.